Hello students, we are with another problem in standard deviation method. So under this method, we are going to find out standard deviation in continuous series through step deviation method. Okay, right. So the following are the steps. So in continuous series, there will be class intervals. Okay, class intervals. So you have to find mid values like this. Already there. Take assumed mean. You have to take assumed mean and find out deviations from assumed mean, and you have to square the deviations. Okay. After squaring the deviations, first you have to find out summation fd by multiplying d with the respective frequency, and after that you have to find out summation fd square by multiplying d square with respective frequencies. Okay, and after that you have to apply the formula and find out standard deviation. One important thing is you have to take the difference of lower and upper values. Sigma, this is sigma and this is the symbol for standard deviation, right? Square root of summation fd square by n minus brackets of summation fd by n whole square into ci. Ci stands for class interval. Okay students, ci stands for class interval between the difference between upper and lower levels, right? This is the formula to find out continuous series standard deviation through step deviation method, right? Please watch this video carefully to understand this problem. Thank you. So the first one is you have to find out mid values. Already there, 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, 10 plus 20 by 2 is equal to 15. In this way you have mid values, right? All these are mid values, and after that you have to take assumed mean. What shall we take as an assumed mean? Okay, shall we take 35 as assumed mean? Okay, right. So m minus a means we are not taking x values because they are indefinable, right? That's why we have taken mid values. So a is equal to 35. M, you have to consider these values. Okay, m minus a. So here 5 minus 35 by you have to divide this with class interval. Okay, in this way, right? Mid values minus assumed mean divided by class interval difference. Okay, so I will give one example here, right? So 5 minus assumed mean 35 divided by 10, that comes to 30 by 10. 30 by 10, when you divide 30 with 10 you will get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. In the same way 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay students, after that you have to square the deviations. Square the deviation. 3 into 3 9, 2 into 2 4, 1 into 1 1, 0, 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, like this. And after that you have to find out summation fd. Before that you have to multiply f with d. So this is f and this is d. 15 into 3 is equal to minus 45, right? Okay, 15 into 2, that is equal to minus 30. 23 into 1, that is equal to 23, right? 0. And next 25 into 1, 25. 10 into 2, 20. 5 into 3, 15. 10 into 4, 40. Okay, so after this what you have to do, you have to total these. So 25 plus 20, 45. 45 plus 15, 60, 60 plus 40. So you will get 100. And you have to take minus values. 45 plus 30, 75, 75, 85, 95 plus 3, 8, 98. Okay, so you will get plus 2. This is summation FD, right? This is summation FD. Okay, students, now we shall find out FD square. So FD square means F value and D square. You have to multiply those two. So 15 into 9, that comes to how much? 135, right? 15 into 4, that comes to 60. 23 into 1, that comes to 23, 0. Next 25 into 1, 25. Okay. Next 10 into 4, that comes to 40. 5 into 9, that comes to 45. Okay. 10 into 4, that isn't it? 10 into 16. 10 into 16. 10 into 16. Like this. All these values. So that comes to 160. 160. So when you total these, you will get 488. You have to denote this as summation FD square. Okay. Okay. N is equal to 125. Summation FD square is equal to 488. 488. Summation FD square, FD is equal to plus 2, and class interval difference is equal to 10. Right. Now we are going to apply this formula. Okay. Standard deviation is equal to square root of 488 divided by 125 minus brackets of plus 2 divided by 125 whole square. So when you divide 488 with 125, what do you get? You will get 3.904. 3.904 minus, when you divide 2 with 125, you will get 0.016. Okay, right. You next step is 3.904 minus, so you have to whole square it, that is 0.016 into 0.016. Okay, what do you get? You will get, so you keep 0 here also. Okay, so you will get 0.0003. 0.00003, right. So now you have to minus 0003 from 3.9040. so what do you get here? When you minus that value, you will get 3.9037. so you have to find out square root for this. You have to find out square root for this. Okay, so here don't forget to keep class interval 10, right? Here also 10, here also 10. Okay, here also 10, right? So if you find out square root for this value, you will get 1.9758. 1.9758. Now you have to multiply with 10. Okay, so you will get the value of 19.5, 19.76. 19.76. Why I have taken 76? Because this value is more than 0.5, isn't it? So I have converted this as 6. So this is the standard deviation or symbol sigma. So what is the formula to find out coefficient of variation? CV is equal to standard deviation by arithmetic mean into 100. Okay, right. So to find out arithmetic mean, the formula in continuous series is A plus summation fd by n into class interval. Okay, so you have taken assume mean a is equal to 35. A is equal to 35. Summation fd you have found out, that is equal to plus 2. n is equal to 125. Okay, class interval is equal to 10, right? So now when you apply the formula 35 plus 2 minus divided by plus 2 divided by 125 into 10. Okay, so now what you get? You get 35 plus 0.016 into 10. So you get 35.16, 35.16, right? Now you have found out arithmetic mean, isn't it? So arithmetic mean is equal to 35.16. So here CV is equal to standard deviation 19.76 divided by arithmetic mean 35.16 into 100. What do you get? You will get 0.5620. You have to multiply with 100. What do you get? You get 56.20. This is coefficient of variation.